this video we are going to discuss how you can start a fashion blog website. And this is my demo website where I have installed WordPress theme. So you can easily create this type of professional fashion blog website without having any special knowledge. So to start this type of website, you need to get domain and hosting. For that you can select Bluehost, and after that you can go here, then click on get started. And for single website you can select the basic package, then skip. And after that here you can search for your domain. For example, so just I can give a random domain name, then click next. Here you can see domain is available. After that you can fill out this form and add payment details, then click submit button. After getting domain and hosting, you need to install WordPress. Let me log in into my hosting account. I have got domain and hosting from tezhost.com. Then simply click login button, and after that scroll down. Let me sign in with Google. Now here you can see in the services section, simply click here, then scroll down, and after that here you can see this is hosting package. Then on the left side, login into cPanel. So now let me create a subdomain in the domain section, and here I can create a new domain. Let me add enablecryptocoin.com, then submit. So if you are installing WordPress in your custom domain, then you don't need this type of step. Now let's go back, and after that in the end click on WordPress, then scroll down and click install now button. Then here we can remove WP, then select the domain. So let me select this one, then scroll down. Here you can add username and password. Let me add. And after that here I can add email, then scroll down. Here you can select your desired plugin to install, then email, and after that install. So these are the easy steps to install WordPress in your domain, and this process will take just few seconds. Now let's open the website on the front side. Here you can see. Now we can log in into our WordPress website. You can follow the second link. Here you can see /wp-admin. Here we can add /wp-admin, then add login details, then login button. So let me add password. So guys, now here you can see this is WordPress dashboard interface. Now the next step is we need to install a WordPress theme. Before installing WordPress theme, we need to go back in the cPanel, then search for PHP in the editor. Then scroll down. Here you can see all the websites. Let me select this one, and I can change these values to maximum. So let me change this one from 128 to 3000. Same for here, then apply. So sometimes while you are installing premium theme in your WordPress website, you can get issues. So now let's upload the theme. So In our case, we are using Soldad WordPress theme. You can get this theme from the theme forest and you can use to build unlimited websites. Then simply upload the theme file, select, and after that you will get a single file. Then you need to extract this one, then you will get multiple files in that file. After that, click on install button and it will take just few seconds. So guys, now here you can see theme is installed. Let's activate, and after that now we need to add child theme. Click add new theme, then scroll down and here we can add Soldad child, then install it, and after that scroll down and activate. Now the next step is we need to install some plugins. We can go back appearance, then install plugins, then scroll down and here we can use bulk actions, select all plugins, then install. Then one of the important thing is we can uncheck these three. So sometimes this plugin can cause critical issues in your website. Then simply click apply button. So within a single click we can install multiple WordPress plugins. So these plugins will be installed and activated. So let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, all the plugins are installed. Now let's reload the web page. Then let me go back in the WordPress dashboard. Then scroll down. And after that here you can see import demo data. Click here. Then scroll down. Here you can find out thousands of pre-built professional WordPress websites. Just you can type a keyword. For example, in this video we are going to create a fashion blog. Then here you can see these are 4 to 5 websites that you can select one of that. So let me select this one. Then scroll down. Here you can see demo content is importing. So let's wait for a few minutes. Okay guys, demo content is imported. Now if you want to change this logo, how you can do that? Let's go back in the dashboard and here you can go appearance, then customize. So every WordPress theme has a customizer that you can easily use, and you can change header settings, body and footer settings. Now on the left side you can see logo and header. Click here, then logo. Here you can add your own logo file. After that, if you want to change anything in the menu, for example if you want to remove this one, shop, let's go back appearance, then menu. Then scroll down and here you can see in the end shop. Simply select and after that you can remove that. If you want to add anything in your menu, just you can select from the left side, for example sample page, then add to menu. So it will be added in the end section, and if you have multiple menus you can edit from here. Then after that simply click on save menu. So after that if you want to change anything, sidebar that is available on the right side. How you can do that? Now we can install a plugin to edit a sidebar. Simply you can go here, classic widgets. Here you can see it has 2 million plus active installations with 5-star ratings. Now let's go back, appearance, then widgets, then scroll down, and here you can see the main sidebar, then sidebar for single products, then also here you can see footer widgets. Just you can remove anything that you don't want here. So on the top here you can see this is a slider that is automatically created from the blog post that you will publish. So for example, if you want to edit any blog post, just you can open on the right click, and after that you can edit post. Here you can add post title, then scroll down. Here you can add description. You can also add media content, for example images. Then scroll down. On the right side you can select the post category, and you can also add a new category. Then after that click update. In this way you can easily create a fashion blog WordPress website within couple of clicks. So thank you for watching video. For more videos and updates, please subscribe my YouTube channel.